Hi friends, welcome to Race Institute. Now we are going to discuss about one of the important topic from reasoning section, that is coded inequalities, which is very important for all type of bank exams, particularly in a mains level. In a mains level, they are giving coded inequality questions. In a prelims level, they'll give basic inequality questions. In mains level, they are giving new pattern inequality questions. These new pattern questions generally we're calling as a coded inequalities. If you know how to solve these coded inequalities, simple, easy techniques and tricks, easily you can answer 5 questions. So generally they'll give 5 questions. All these 5 questions you can attempt in very less time. So directly we will go to the concept how to answer these coded inequality questions in very less time, and what techniques we will apply. Now we will see by taking some example model question. Now, so like this they'll give data. So I think everyone knows that how to answer basic inequality questions. That is very simple and easy. Same concept we will use, but you have to apply some kind of techniques. If you apply techniques, definitely you can answer these questions in very less time. But if you are not following techniques, if you follow only basic traditional methods, it takes more time. Clear? That's why try to apply whatever techniques I'm explain now. Try to apply only that techniques. Clear? Now we will see. Generally, they'll give these type of codes. They may give any code here. Generally, they given copyright means not smaller than. See, according to inequality concept, we know that greater than, less than, and equal to. These are the main three important symbols. Based on these three symbols, combination of greater and equal to, you can take greater than or equal to. Combination of less than and equal to, you can take less than or equal to. So these are the final 5 symbols regularly you can expect in exams in this particular inequality concept. The same 5 symbols in coded inequalities, they'll give conditions in a different way. That conditions we will see. Not smaller than, these are the basically 3 important symbols. If they are telling not smaller than, means from these 3 only symbols important: greater, less than, and equal to. If they are telling not smaller than, remaining 2 you have to take, that is greater than or equal to. Here not greater than means less than or equal to. Neither greater nor equal to. Neither greater nor equal to. So it's not greater, it's not equal to, then you have to take less than. Next, neither smaller nor equal to. Neither smaller nor equal to means you have to take greater than. Neither greater nor smaller, obviously you will take equal to. Like this, first you have to note down all these symbols. Otherwise, directly you can make these symbols in a format of magic table or magic box, we can call. Directly you can write in that way also. Generally, magic box, how we will take? Here we will take equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Like this you can make it works. In the same way, greater than or equal to means what? According to the given codes, copyright. So wherever greater than equal to is there, you have to take that particular symbols according to this particular positions. So equal to means you can take percentage in the middle. Next, greater than means here dollar. Greater than or equal to means copyright, and less than means at the rate. Next one, less than or equal to means star. Just you can make table of this particular thing, or you can call as a magic box also, whatever. So just without taking this magic box also we can answer this particular thing. But if you are getting confused, just you can make this particular arrangement, right? So directly we can note down like this also. Copyright means wherever we have copyright you have to use greater than or equal to. Wherever we have star you can take less than or equal. Like that, for all the symbols you can write down in this way, or you can write down in this magic box format also. That is whatever. Clear? Now important task is using these symbols, how to answer these questions without decoding all these things, without rewriting all these things. Simply without using pen and paper also you can attempt or you can answer all these questions in very less time. Now I'll explain this first question very clearly. Very simple way. Same concept you have to apply for remaining 4 questions also. Clear? So whenever you are applying shortcut method, here, always you have to check only in forward direction. Only you have to check forward direction. If you are not applying shortcut method, you can check forward or backward also, no problem. But whenever particularly you are applying shortcut method, from this side to this side only you have to check. Now directly go to the conclusions. First conclusion they given $J J to T we are checking relation. J to T we are checking relation. Whenever we are checking J to T relation, only forward direction we are taking. That's why. So we don't have any problem. Now, whenever they given dollar between J and T, at least one place dollar should be there. Same symbol. Whatever symbol we are checking, same symbol should be there at least one time. In these two places, at least $1 is there already. Right, along with the dollar, is the dollar is here. Whenever you are checking dollar along with the dollar in remaining places, here we have only one place. In remaining place, we should get only either copyright or percentage, then only that conclusion is right. If any reverse symbol for greater than generally, these are the two reverse symbols, that is less than or equal to. For greater than or equal to, just opposite symbols are these two. Like that. Now you are checking dollar. Dollar means actually if you use this magic box, here we will get greater than. So for greater than, whatever opposite symbols are there, that is less than or equal to, at the rate and star. If you find out in this place, that answer is always false. So first conclusion is false. We are not writing anything, just we are observing the statements and conclusion. You can make the answer very simple and less time. Even try to understand next conclusion. R to T we are checking. R is here and T is here. But this is not in forward direction. R is here and T is this side. We are coming in reverse direction. But what I told, always whenever you are applying this kind of shortcut method, check only in forward direction. Right? If you are checking forward direction, to make that forward direction arrangement, what we can do this conclusion. Just what is the meaning of R star T? Star is actually less than or equal to. That means R less than or equal to T. No need to write all these steps in exam. Just I'm explaining here. R less than or equal to T means, can you write like this? R greater than or equal, T greater than or equal to R. There is no difference between these two. Just we are saying here, R is less than or equal to T. Here T is greater than or equal to R. Both are same. Whenever you make like this, R T greater than or equal to R, T greater than or equal to R, now you can check T to R also. That is, you can convert into forward direction. Whenever you are converting like this, it becomes what? T greater than or equal to means copyright symbol you will get. This is R. So like this you have to convert. No need to change all these things. But whatever steps you are writing here, all these steps no need to write. You have to check in your mind. How? R star T. R to T is reverse. If it is reverse, what is the reverse symbol for star? Reverse symbol for star, these two are always opposite to each other. These two are always opposite to each other. And middle one is obviously equal to, that is not opposite for anyone. Clear? These two are opposite and these two are exactly opposite. Now, star opposite is obviously you will get copyright. So, between T and R you will get copyright. At least one copyright should be there. Yes, at least one copyright is there. In other place, right, whenever you are checking this copyright, at least one time this copyright should be there in between these two elements. Yes, one copyright is there. But in other place, if you find any reverse symbol, for greater than or equal to, reverse symbols are these two, less than or equal to. Yes, we have reverse symbol. So obviously, second one is also false. Similarly, third one, N to K. Just if you observe here, now you have to check from N to K. Here where we have N is here and K is here. Whenever you are checking N to K, again we are coming in reverse way. So what you have to do, you have to change this. So that is a dollar symbol is there. For dollar, opposite symbol is what? At the rate. At least one at the rate should be there. Yes, at the rate is there. And remaining place, if you find any reverse symbol, right? So whenever we are taking at the rate here, at the rate is less than. But another place we have less than or equal to. So that is not reverse symbol. So definitely this is right answer. Even if you apply simple way, N dollar K. Dollar means what? Dollar is actually greater than k, you can convert like this, k less than n. This is you have to check here actually. So less than k to n. See, k to n we are checking. See, k less than n we are getting. So k to n, at least one less than symbol should be there. Here star means actually less than or equal to, and this at the rate means less than. At least one less than should be there. Yes, is there. In remaining place, we should not get any opposite symbols. In other place, you can get percentage or you can get star. Yes, star is there. Definitely, third one is the right answer. Like this you can answer, but once right answer you are getting, so no need to verify in exam. So no need to verify, no need to write all these steps. That much confidence you have to improve. So more and more practice is required to get right answers in this particular method. Now we will check fourth one also. If you take fourth one, R2K, R is here, K is here. Again reverse is there. What is the reverse symbol for star? Copyright. At least one copyright should be there. Yes, copyright is there. Whenever we are checking copyright, this is particularly whenever we are checking this one, these two symbols should be there. There is no other symbol. If you find any other these three symbols, that answer is false. That is, you have to get only these two symbols between the two elements. But if you find any other symbol from these three, answer is false. Yes, you are saying at the rate, you are saying star. Obviously, fourth one is false. So directly only 3 is true. Like this, you have to answer these type of questions. So very simple concept, but if you understand this particular shortcut method, always try to apply only this shortcut method. Otherwise, it takes more time. So try to apply this shortcut method. Once again, we will discuss second question also, right? Even if you don't understand, try to understand now. I'll explain. Now, see here what they given. Right, we will copy this given codes here again. Right, same thing we can apply, same logic we can apply here. Right, now directly this is a given question, conclusion D to R. So whenever we are checking D to R, so D is here, R is here. Again reverse. At the rate, what is the reverse symbol for at the rate? Dollar. At least $1 should be there. Yes, dollar is there. But whenever we are checking dollar, along with the dollar, percentage and copyright should be there. But if you find any other reverse symbol, answer is false. So yes, we are getting at the rate, answer is false. And second one, M to F. M is here, F is here. Again we are checking in a reverse. What you have to do? Dollar opposite symbol at the rate. At least one at the rate should be there. Yes, whenever we are checking at the rate, percentage and star should be there in other places. But if you find any other symbol, that answer is false. But you have copyright, so that is false because that is reverse symbol for this at the rate. Similarly, R to D. R is here and D is here. This is only in forward direction. No need to change the symbol. So directly, at least one at the rate should be there. Along with the at the rate, you have to get only percentage and star. But if you find these two symbols, answer is false. We are getting dollar, so that is also false. Obviously, if all are false, definitely fourth should be the right answer. So R to F, we will check. R is here, F is here. You have to reverse this. Star reverse is what? Copyright. At least one copyright should be there. Yes, copyright is there. Along with the copyright, you have to get only percentage. Yes, percentage is also there. So definitely this one is right. Like this you have to answer. Now question number 3, same concept, very simple way. Try to answer this. Here, if you follow these techniques, definitely you can attempt all the 5 questions in less than 2 minutes also. Clear? Definitely this will help to save your time in a mains exam. Now we will see W to E. W is here and E is here. But how to reach this? From W to V first you have to check, then V to E you have to check. But directly what we can do, W dollar V, then V copyright E. If you observe like this, directly it is a straight, no need to change anything. So dollar, at least $1 should be there. Yes, dollar is there. In remaining place, whenever we are checking dollar, along with the dollar, either percentage or copyright should be there. Yes, copyright is there. So definitely first one is true. And second one, H2E. So H is here, H2E, directly it's a straight, no forward direction only, no need to change. At the rate, at least one at the rate should be there. Yes, is there. Along with at the rate, you have to get percentage or star. Star is there. So definitely second one. First one already true. Second one is also true. Now if you take third one, H2V. H is here and V, E up to E is here, but E to V you have to check like this. Clear? Now first comfortably check from H to E and next E to V. That is directly, if you only change this one, you can find out very easily. That is V copyright E. Copyright means actually greater than or equal to. So that is, we can write V greater than or equal to E means you can write E less than or equal to V. Like this also you can take. So this is, we will get directly, we will get straight forward direction. Now H2V, we have at the rate. Up to this at the rate already true. We already taken up to E in a previous question, that is this one. Next from here to here, again at the rate means what? Less than or equal to is there. So definitely this is also true. Next $B, W to B. W is here, first W to V and V to E, and what they given? W to B. After E, E to B you have to take. First these two already we are taken here. Next one B star E. That B star E you can take E to B relation. That is star means what? Less than or equal to. That is you can take greater than or equal to. This is the final equation. Just only check that. So W to B, what symbol is given? Dollar. At least $1 should be there. Yes, dollar is there. Whenever we are checking dollar, either this symbol or this symbol should be there, right? This is actually copyright you will get, right? Here we have copyright. So both are copyright. So here fourth one is also true. What we can take final answer? All are true. Very simple. Similarly, we will take fourth question also. Clear? So regularly in every mains exam, any type of SBI clerk, PO, IBPS clerk, PO, IBPS, RRBs, nowadays in every bank exam, in a mains level, they are giving these type of questions. Clear? So once again, we will take this particular given codes and we will try to solve fourth and fifth question also. Clear? Last two questions. Now, see, fourth one. Direct, no need to observe statement, directly go to the conclusion. R to N. R is here, N is here, forward direction only. Dollar. Whenever we are checking dollar, at least $1 should be there. But we do have dollar in these two, between these two? No, false. J to K. J is here, J is here, and K is here. Reverse. Whenever you are getting reverse, at the rate opposite symbol, dollar, at least $1 should be there. Yes, dollar is there. Along with the dollar, either you have to get copyright or percentage. But if you get any opposite symbol, that is at the rate and star, answer is false. You are getting star. This is false. H to N. H is here and N is here. So H to N, whenever you are checking, that is also reverse. Again, at the rate is there. So for at the rate, opposite symbol is what? Dollar. At least $1 should be there. Yes, dollar is there. Along with the dollar, either you have to get percentage or copyright. Yes, percentage is there. Definitely, third one is true. R dollar H. R dollar H. So R is here and H is in the last place. Whenever you are checking a forward, no need to change the symbol, but dollar is there. So along with the dollar, in all other places, you have to get either copyright and percentage only. But we have star. At least if you find one reverse symbol, that answer is false. So now right answer is only 3. Only 3 true. That is option E. Last question we will see, fifth one. Directly go to the conclusions. M to K. M is here, K is here, M is here, K is here. We are coming reverse. So you have to change this symbol. Opposite symbol of at the rate is star, dollar. At least $1 should be there. Yes, dollar is there. In remaining other places, either you have to get copyright and star, copyright and percentage, sorry, copyright and percentage. If you find star and at the rate, answer is false. At least one star is there, definitely that is reverse symbol, false. Next, N2K. Next, N2K. N2K, from here to here, again reverse. At the rate reverse symbol is what? Dollar. At least $1 is there, but here we have opposite symbol directly. Dollar, opposite symbol, these two. So at least one star is there, definitely false. Next, M2D. M is here, M is here and D is here. Again reverse. What you have to do? At the rate. Dollar. At least $1. Dollar is there. Along with the dollar, percentage is there. Definitely it's true, because only these two are opposite symbols. If you find only opposite symbol, that is false. If you are weak in basic concepts, we cannot do anything. Try to improve your basic concepts. If you need any basic concept type of questions, just you can comment me in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to take one more class based on basic concepts also. Now last conclusion, they given W to N. W is here, W is here and N is here. Again reverse. Star reverse is what? So copyright. At least one copyright. Yes, copyright is there. Along with the copyright, you have to get only percentage. Any other symbol, answer is false. So this one is also true. Now answer is 3 and 4. That is option C is the right answer. Like this, you have to apply only shortcut method. Whenever you apply shortcut method, right, you can save your time. Time management is very, very important. Very speed way you can answer questions in a mains exam. Definitely you can clear your cutoffs very easily. So whenever you are writing bank exams, particularly prelims and mains, so definitely you have to apply shortcut method. And particularly whenever you are writing mains exam, you are getting new pattern questions. For that new pattern questions, compulsory you have to follow the shortcut methods or tricks for all reasoning subject, reasoning topics. So focus on that concepts, focus on that shortcut method. Definitely you can attempt more number of questions in less time. So if you want more explanations like this for new pattern questions, just comment me in the comment section. We will discuss about that remaining topics also. Thank you everyone. Thank you.